Hopefully this can pick up my voice. So this is going to be a water test. My dive partner couldn't make it, so I just mounted one of the Open Ocean Buddy Locators on my float here. I'm just going to have to carry the other module with me. I'm probably going to just put some floaties on it to try and keep it above the water, but we're going to test it out in the water today. Hopefully this works. Okay, here I am, about to go in the water. Put a little float on the second part. Let's see. Read it, but it's working. Here goes. Okay. So far so good. We're in the water. The lights haven't turned off. It's a good sign. Put that float on it. Here we go. In the water. The lights are on. Still good. Let's see how this works. So as you can see, it's still working. We're in the water. This one's still working. Hard to see. You can see the light, but it's still working. See the little blue light. They're really close to each other, so it's hard for them to say where to point. I'm gonna anchor here, not too far from shore. And if anyone was wondering why my flag has this yellow stripe, it's because sometimes when we go diving, there's a lot of other divers. That yellow stripe is to help me identify who my partners are. And you'll see when you get kind of far away, it's hard to see that yellow stripe. So I'm gonna anchor here. Hopefully no one messes with my flag. Think that the diver's gone because I'm gonna swim off somewhere. But it's pretty safe here. It's shallow. Shouldn't go diving by yourself, but it's pretty safe. Okay. There we go. It's kind of pointing towards it. See the blue? It's working. Alright, just gotta tie this thing. Wish I had another float. Okay, I think we're far enough. It's hard to see, but the lights are still on. Lord, blue is that way. You kind of see it. Maybe if I shift this around, there you can see it. Lord. The blue is pointing. I don't know if you can see my flag on the screen, but you can kind of see it from this far with my eyes. I can slightly see that little yellow sliver on the bottom of my flag to know that's my flag. Yeah, it's working. Let's see if I can read the numbers down at the bottom. It says I'm about 74 yards. You can't see it. Maybe you can. I'll try here. I think it's getting in the way. The net bag is getting in the way. But there it is. It's working. I'm gonna go further out just a little more, and hopefully no water leaks. Okay. To see, but I found an octopus. That's going to be for dinner. Hey, kill two birds with one stone. Dinner plus video for my project. little further from shore. It's still pretty good. It's down there. It's responding, so I'm pretty sure the other one is still alive out of the water. And I am not going to the reef today. If you wanted to see fishes, that's where they would be, but it's really low tide. It's a negative tide, and I don't feel like scratching my body anymore. But yeah, it looks to be working. I'll try to swim around that way. What is that? That's north. Try to swim around east, head back to the flag to see if the lights still point. And I got Mr. Octopus here. It's gonna be dinner. Still glowing. Solid. I don't know if you can see the light tree there. I go this way. You can see it right there. Still good. One of those tourists there. I gotta go to my flag. I'll go by my flag. Alright. Head east just a little more and head on in. Okay, I'm slightly east. Oh, wait, look. Okay, I'm slightly east of it. Flat out here. So you can see, hopefully, the blue light a little to the west. It's not that way. I think it's hard to see. I can't see it. But yeah, it's working. The blue light is pointing, well, this is the resolution thing, but it's pointing in the general direction of the other module. And I'm going to swim back now because the current feels like it's ripping to the east, and I don't want to fight the current trying to get back to my flag. So thank you for watching, and thank you, mister. You are going to be my dinner. Okay, I'm back at home. I only live about like 10-15 minutes away from the beach, so I didn't turn off anything. I didn't want my wet hands and wet body dripping over the module and getting it all wet, but I'm gonna see what happened to it. I got it here. Oh, can you see it? It's still good. It's alive and kicking. I'm gonna remove it. See here. Whoa. Okay, here it is. Can't really tell if you can see on the camera, but no water got inside. Obviously it's still working, but I'm not sure if you can see here, there's like condensation. So I guess whatever moisture that was in the air condensed because the water was really cold. Still working. Let's go get the other one. Hey, Mr. Octopus. Okay, he does not want to let go. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but he's covering it. I will let you. So my float idea didn't really work too well. It kept floating upside down, but the module should really be mounted on like your buddy's dive flag or kayak or whatever, so it's not really in the water. But this guy, slimy. This one too. Yeah, no water seeped in it. It's hard to see, but you can't see that there's no dripping water in here. So yay, it worked. Battery's still good. I think it's been about an hour since I had it on. Last I checked on the other camera, it said it was running for like 40 minutes, plus the time to drive back home, 15, and me setting up all these cameras and other stuff. another what, 5-10 minutes. So yeah, about an hour. Battery says it's still good. It's like around 3.9 volts, down from 4.2 or 4.1. Yeah, so this looks like it's probably workable, maybe even good for night diving. There's those lights, you can see each other in the water better, and the little pointers. Of course you can see the other light in the water, but at least you can have some assurance that you're not looking at like a channel marker or something. At least the blue light will tell you, yeah, that's your friend or a channel marker. Here's the module. Oops. Here's the module. I opened it up. There's no water inside, but water does seep around the seal here, so I think it's best to pull it out. Oh, put it somewhere dry. Do not get wet. You can see there's no water in here, just on the lip. And I'm rethinking about putting a switch in because my hands are still kind of wet. It was very hard to unplug it, so gotta just be careful. There's water along the seal, so when you open it, just open it real quick. And again, no water in there. And unplugging it, okay, that was actually easy, but my hands were a little wet and I couldn't pull it apart. And just to check, sanity check inside, no water. Dry. It's good. I just gotta make sure I rinse this out. Dry it good, no salt on the seal, and be good to go. Next time I go out, hopefully my dive partners can come out with me and then really test this in the water. Thanks for watching. Alright, I'll put this here, it'll look nicer. End it with looking at versus an empty box. Thanks for watching.